Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Midnight Train knot. Let's go ahead and get started. The left side, it's at the belt line as usual, same spot. I'm going to come over here, we're just going to fold it in half, put a dimple in there, bring this over to the center, like this, come up, like this, come up again, come around, I'm going to come across there like that. So that's what I have so far. And then I'm going to come up here through like this. And then I'm going to open this loop. I'm going to come underneath here like this. I'm going to leave this like this and want this a little loose. And then I'm immediately going to come down around like this. You're going to have a point over there. That is what we want. I'm going to come back underneath here like this. And then I'm just going to bring it down like that. And let me put my collar down here. So it's going to kind of look like a Trinity knot. But you're going to have a point. See a point right there? You have your point. You have your layer underneath there, layer there, then you can have overlapping there. It's going to be like that. There you go, guys. So there's the Midnight Train for you. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We will see you in the next video and see you on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.